Hi, Ollie. What are you eating tonight? What are you eating? You having some sweet potatoes? Well, bud, that didn't go very well. You like your sweet potatoes? Yeah? Oh, goodness. Let's keep it in your mouth, bud. Num num. That yummy sweet potatoes? You like it? You're tired. Oh, what?
What, dog?
Yes, good sweet potatoes. Oh, bud. We have sweet potatoes everywhere. You like it? Don't you do it. Don't you do it. No. Bud. Okay. You gotta clean up the sweet potatoes now.